Cephable professional users can use the intelligent text generation task in order to generate text anywhere you could otherwise type. This means you can do things like generate documents, emails, messages, code, and anything else. There's a few different ways to get started with intelligent text generation. You can edit your intelligent text generation settings for your specific device by going to your text generation settings here. Here you can enable it or disable it. You can also choose to automatically warm up the models. If you're using text generation a lot, we recommend turning this on. You can also provide additional information to teach Cephable how you like to write. You can have as much information here, not just about tone or preferences, but also about information that's relevant to what you might be writing in your day to day. Here you can also clear your resources or your model cache. When you clear your model cache, Cephable will need to re-download the models for the first time, which does take a few minutes the very first time it does it. With your settings enabled, now you can open up the Cephable panel anywhere you want to type and use it to start generating. You can do this with a voice command by using the generate keyword, or you can do it from the intelligent task section. Here's a few examples of using intelligent text generation. Because Cephable's text generation can write anywhere you could otherwise type, it can also write Markdown for you. For example, I'm in a simple web editor here called Stack Edit, where I can write Markdown and see the documentation. This means that I can generate Markdown directly. So I'll go ahead and click into the Generate Text task, and I'll describe what I want it to generate. I'll have it create a product requirements documentation template using Markdown for an AI platform. And then I could generate. Now, Cephable will start to generate this Markdown for me directly into my browser editor. At any time, I can also stop the generation by clicking Stop. Now, let's try the same thing using the microphone and the Generate command. I'll start by turning on the microphone in my control mode, not in dictation, and then I'll give the Generate command. Generate a product requirements document template for an AI software platform. Stop generating. Now I'll generate a sample email. Cephable's text generation features work entirely offline once the model is downloaded, so you can provide sensitive information without worrying about where that data is going or how it's being used to train other models in the future. Your data is always yours, and it's always private, and it's always offline when you're using Cephable's text generation models.